Hello everyone, today I would like to show you all how to lock WhatsApp chats. Let's have a look. First, open WhatsApp on your smartphone. Swipe right or long press on the chat you wish to lock. Then tap three dots on top right. Tap lock chat. Keep this chat locked and hidden. Tap continue. Confirm to lock your chats. Scan your fingerprint. You can lock WhatsApp chats using Face ID or fingerprint. That's it. Your chat conversation locked and hidden. You will see locked chats folder on the top of your chat. Now close WhatsApp and reopen it. Locked chats hidden. To show locked chats, swipe down on the chat screen. Then you will see locked chats folder. Tap on it. Unlock to continue. Scan your fingerprint. Here you will see your locked chat conversation. If you would like to create secret code for your locked chats, from locked chats folder, tap three dots on top right. Then tap locked chat settings. Tap secret code. Enter a new secret code for your locked chats. You can type any word with number or emoji. This is my secret code. Tap next and reconfirm same secret code. Tap done and you will see secret code turned on. Now turned on hide locked chats. Tap use my secret code. Enter your secret code and tap done. That's it. Hide lock chats enable. Now close WhatsApp and reopen it. If you swipe down on chat screen, you will not see any locked chats folder. To show locked chats with secret code, in the search box type your secret code. Here I am typing my secret code. Immediately you will see locked chats folder. Tap on it. Here you will see your locked chats using secret code. Anytime you can turn off secret code and hide locked chats feature. So these are the steps to lock WhatsApp chats. Hope this video helped you. Please subscribe my channel by tap subscribe button. Also tap the bell icon to receive notifications about all new videos.